So alright guys, today's video is for those of you either on Steam Decks or equivalent hardware. With that said, you probably stumbled upon this quote-unquote bug before. What happens is you go to set up a game in Lutris, then you go to play it. You come to realize the game's menus will work fine, however once you're actually in-game, you suddenly don't have mouse control. And no amount of rebinding or binding the mouse controls to either the trackpad nor a joystick will fix it. For those of you that have ran into this issue, you probably also noticed it only affects Unity games, well, certain Unity games. I can name 2 or 3 of them off the top of my head right now. Here are a few examples with hopefully B-roll, if not, take my word for it. I had this bug happen in the long drive, my side, and from the depths. I've come to realize I'm not the only one that ever ran into this. I've actually seen one forum post on the official Unity page talking about this bug, and they blew the guy off. So for a couple years now, that guy never had his answer. However, I'm hoping this video will help you out, as well as many other people who stumble upon this. Alright, enough explaining the issue. How do we go about fixing it? Well, the issue is because of window layering. What we need to do is go into winetricks and hit disable usetakefocus. By default, this option is supposed to be on. However, what I've come to realize multiple times now is this option is not actually on. We need to tick it, then hit OK. You will get a 32-bit winetricks warning. Just close out of it and let it do its thing. After it's done, it should kick you back out into the menu. You will get no confirmation prompt that it did the thing, but trust me, the disable take focus is now enabled. Now you can close winetricks and go back to your game. From here you can bind the controls however you like. What you should notice is the game's controls will now work as intended. I have tried this out with all 3 of the games that gave me issue, and every single one of them has worked great since I re-enabled this little tweak. If this video helped you, let me know, and if you happen to work at Unity, please send this to the other person who asked nicely for help that you ignored for multiple years. Anyway, before I go, I hope the picture-in-picture was not too hard to watch. I wanted to capture the fix as well as capture my Steam Deck on the camera, just to prove that I indeed did fix the issue with these games when it came to my Steam Deck. With that said, that's basically it for this video, and I'm gonna leave it off here now. DTPK signing off. Peace. From on the fly. Now it might not seem like it at first, it will be fine, maybe within a year you'll